The market is shifting fast, and AI is the biggest competitive edge an agent can have. It gives you precision, speed, and consistency, three things that separate top producers from everyone else. While others chase leads manually, your system will already be analyzing, responding, and following up automatically. Building AI infrastructure now means future proofing your business. The longer you wait, the more data and automation your competitors will have, and that gap becomes impossible to close. Starting today puts you ahead of the curve when the entire industry catches up. In real estate, information has always been power, but now automation is power. The agents who build smart systems today will control the flow of clients, conversations, and closings tomorrow. That's why your AI foundation isn't optional anymore, it's survival.